Yeah, I'm David Brown. I'm a professor in the biology department at Eastern Kentucky University. So we're conducting a census basically of all the trees on EKU's campus. And that means we're going out and finding trees and marking their location using like their geospatial location, using some mapping technology, and then identifying the trees and taking measurements on the trees, like the size of the tree and the condition of the tree and how well it's been mulched and prepared in the landscape setting that it's growing in. So there was a tree inventory conducted about 12 years ago, and we're repeating that survey. And so having an inventory of the trees on campus helps the facilities management people of the university take care of the trees and know where they need to plant trees, know which trees might need to be pruned or removed or visited by an arborist. And it also, by repeating it after 12 years, we're able to look back and see what trees have been lost, and again, where we might need to plant new trees.
Hi, so I am Kelly Watson, and I am an associate professor in the Department of Geosciences at Eastern Kentucky University and the associate director of the Division of Natural Areas. So trees are important because they provide resources, ecological, social, and economic benefits. So trees provide, of course, again, campus beautification, but also trees just in general. There's a lot of research that shows that having trees and green space increases people's sense of well-being, and also trees provide simple things like shade. They help to mitigate the effects of urban heat islands, and so lowering temperatures that would otherwise be higher in urban and suburban environments. Trees are also really important because they provide habitat for and forage and food for a number of different organisms, and really important, especially birds, and also food for things like squirrels and chipmunks. And also trees are important because they help to reduce soil erosion and to mitigate stormwater runoff as well. When we are going around and inventorying the trees, we're actually working with a number of classes on campus. So the Department of Geosciences, we have our GIS, Geographic Information Science students, and our GIS certificate students, as well as students in biology and wildlife management that are getting trained in using real-world skills to use GPS, geographical positioning system, to find coordinates, to find locations of the trees, as well as using the Esri Arc Online software and using the Collector app for the smartphone, which allows you, it's a really awesome tool that is being used by professionals in the field of GIS as well as in wildlife and in biology, to allow you to collect data about sites in the field. So we can actually go out with our smartphones connected to a GPS device and gather data about the species of trees, the condition of the trees, the location of the trees, all kinds of things, and then have multiple people using that and feeding it back into a larger database of geographic information systems.